Okay, this is question 16 of the WJC additional maths paper from 2019. And we have a sketch of a curve, negative x squared plus 8x minus 12, shown below. We want to calculate the area of the region bounded by the curve and the x-axis. So the area bounded by the curve and the x-axis, well, there's the x-axis. Here's the curve. It's not quite right. So here's the x-axis. Here's the curve. And everything inside there is the area that we're looking for. Now, in order to find that area, I need to integrate. And I integrate between the 2 and the 6. And that will tell me the area. We often say the area underneath the curve, but it is in fact the area bounded between the curve and the x-axis. So I'm going to integrate between 2 and 6. And my expression is negative x squared plus 8x minus 12. And we're going to integrate with respect to x. So the first thing I do is I just check and make sure that all of these are in an integratable form, which they are. All the power terms are there on the top line. There's nothing on the bottom. There's no fractional part with the x on the bottom. So I'm good to go with my integration. So let's see what I get coming out. So the first one is negative 1 times x squared. Well, that's going to integrate to negative 1 multiplied by the integral of x squared, which is 1/3 x cubed. So that will overall give me negative 1/3 x cubed. So negative 1/3 x cubed. Okay, my next term is going to be plus 8x. So that's going to integrate to 8 lots of the integral of x, which is going to be a half x squared. Well, 8 halves are 4, so that becomes 4x squared. And the last term, negative 12, any constant will integrate to that constant multiplied by x. So minus 12x. And then this is going to be between the limits of 2 and 6. So first thing is first, I'm going to substitute 6 in as my limit. So I get 1/3, or sorry, negative 1/3, I should say, of 6 cubed. Plus 4 lots of 6 squared minus 12 lots of 6. And I want to subtract what we get when we put 2 in. Now I'm running out of room a little bit, so I'm going to have to go underneath. So subtract what I get when I put 2 in. So that's negative 1/3 lots of 2 cubed plus 4 lots of 2 squared minus 12 lots of 2. So I'm going to work out each bracket. So go to my calculator. Negative 1/3 lots of 6 cubed plus 4 lots of 6 squared minus 12 lots of 6. So that first bracket is 0. Take away. If I change all my 6's into 2's, I get negative 32/3. Try to write that properly. So 0 take away a negative means 0 add, so your answer is going to be 32/3. 32/3, 10 2/3, if you wanted to write it that way, but 32/3 is fine.